Want to remove your browsing history in Opera GX? Whether you're protecting your privacy, cleaning up old data, or troubleshooting browser issues, clearing your browsing history only takes a minute. In this video, I'll show you how to delete all history in Opera GX. Let's get started. First, open Opera GX on your computer. Now click the Opera GX logo in the top left corner of the browser window. From the menu, select History. Inside the History page, click Clear Browsing Data. Alternatively, you can use the much faster keyboard shortcut, Control plus Shift plus Delete. This instantly opens the Clear Browsing Data window from anywhere in the browser. Once the window appears, you'll see several options. At the top, select the time range. If you want to remove everything, choose All Time. Next, make sure Browsing History is selected. You can also choose whether to remove additional data such as cookies, cached images and files, download history, save site settings, and other browsing information. If your goal is a complete browser cleanup, you can select all available options. However, keep in mind that deleting cookies may sign you out of websites, and removing saved data can reset certain site preferences. After reviewing your selections, click Clear Data. Opera GX will begin removing the selected information. The process usually only takes a few seconds, although it may take longer if you have a large amount of browsing data stored. Once finished, your browsing history will be removed from Opera GX. If you share your computer with others, periodically clearing your browsing history can help improve privacy and keep your browser organized. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all browsing history in Opera GX. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Opera GX tutorials, privacy guides, gaming browser tips, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.